Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create a database in Excel using the Visual Basic application with the advanced search function. Now I will open the Excel file, advanced search function. Now you can enable the content because this is the macro enabled workbook. When you enable the content, immediately the Excel file will be hidden. Excel file visible will be false, so the login menu will be visible there you can type the username and password. Username is admin and password you can type 1234. Now you can log in here. If you want to clear this before login, this will be cleared. If you exit from this, everything will be closed and served. Excel file, everything will be closed. If you want to go to the Excel file, you can click this Excel button. If you click no, it will be exit. Then if you click yes, the login menu will be closed. You can go to the Excel database. Here you can get the employee database, employee ID, name and other details. Also from the Excel file also you can go to the user frame through this icon. Otherwise you can close. When you close it, sometimes it will ask for the VBA Project password 1234. Okay, now we will reopen this Excel file. Username admin and password 1234. Now we will log into this application. You can see this is the Excel VBA advanced search function, a database for the employees. You can see employee ID, first name, surname, address, department, designation, staff type national or international. Here we have different designation. Here we have different departments. Also you can type the identity card number of your country, and email address, gender and mobile number. And here we have command buttons, add new data for each employees, and we can update, we can print it this database altogether, and we can reset, we can delete any of the record, and we can exit from this. Now we will go one by one. When we jump into this user form, the employee ID is 1 because the database is empty. One by one it will increase 1 2 3 likewise in the order. So employee ID is 1. We will type the first name, let's say A. Press the tab key, you will jump into the surname. We can type surname is something. I will type my name. Okay, then address, we can type some address. Then press the tab key. Department, we can select one of the department, logistics department. Then the designation, let's say executive. Staff type, I'm a national staff. Then NIC number we can type. Then email device, then type key, mail, M, then mobile number. Now we will add this. It is added. You can see that is in this list box. Okay, like this you can see automatically the employee ID number 2 is initiated. Then we can type another detail. Now we will add this. It is added. If you want to update something, we can search in the text box. We can type the detail and we can click the search button. Then that will be printed in this text boxes. Let's say we want to search the employee ID 1. Now we will search. Okay, the employee ID 1 detail is in this boxes. Okay, we can reset this, that will be cleared. Okay, now we'll search number 2 details here. Let's reset. Okay, now we want to search by some name. I will search by my name. Okay, exactly, we had to write the correct name. Okay, data not found. Okay, I will search by my name. Sobanan, some spelling mistake. Okay, search. You can see we can search by any of the things. Now the first employee ID details here, through this spin button we can spin. It will increase one by one. 1 2, the third number is empty, so 1 2 like this. It will, we can search by spin button one by one. The details will change in these text boxes here. If you want to print, we can click the print button. Not connected with printer, so we can print by PDF. Okay, we can save it in the desktop. Let's say we will save SSS. Okay, it is served. Now I will minimize this, Control and D. We can minimize. Here is the PDF. We can see all details will be printed as PDF. Or if you connect it with printer, you can print by printer, or else you can save as PDF, then you can print. Everything will be printed. Okay. Now we will reset this. Now we can delete any of the data. Anyway, we are not going to delete. If in case if you want to delete, we have to select that particular line. This number 1 or number 2. Let's say number 2 we have to delete. Select that. After that, click the delete button. Then it will ask. If you click yes, it will be deleted. You can see it is deleted. Also from the Excel database. Now we can exit from this. Click the exit button. If you click yes, everything will be closed. You suppose an Excel file will be closed and served. Now I will reopen this. Username admin, password 1234. Also the VBA project password also 1234. You can download this file from the description. I have given the link below. Also the full preparation video also in the description. You can see that video as well. Thank you.